simple steps for hydrated skin. This mild foaming facial wash will gently cleanse and help to remove dirt and makeup without drying the skin. Step 2. Toner. This rose petal infused toner has real rose petals with rose water, which restores the pH balance of your skin after cleansing. It can help you to prep your skin, and it also has a soothing effect. The Hydra Rose Microgel Serum contains Hydra Moist Microgel particles which gently penetrate the skin to give you extra hydration and moisture in one product. The next step is moisturizer for day and night routine. For day routine, this dewy aqua gel is packed with bio-hyaluronic acid and rich antioxidants. It seals in moisture, trapping hydration to prevent moisture loss throughout the day. For night routine, we use Hydra Rose Moisture Rich Night Gel with triple antioxidants of vitamin E, rose oil, and natural bisabolol. Also, with a stress relief agent for soothing the skin, say hello to hydrated skin in the morning. Wardah Hydra Rose, hydrating your beautiful skin for 72 hours.